Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim sign-up bonus on Bybit. First, open your browser and visit the official Bybit website. Now start the sign-up process. You can register using your email address, Telegram account, or Apple ID. Enter the required details carefully and move to the referral code section. If the referral code is not filled automatically, copy and paste the code GMR4XRN exactly as shown. Take a moment to double check the code so you don't miss the bonus. After confirming the referral code, click on Create Account. Bybit will then show a security puzzle on your screen. Now complete the puzzle correctly to verify that you are a real user and continue with account creation. Once the puzzle verification is completed, your account will be created successfully. You will see a pop-up or notification showing your available sign-up bonus. Click on Claim. Now, to add the bonus to your account, click on Claim Now to add the bonus to your account. After claiming the bonus, you can start exploring the Bybit platform. Next, open the trading section and begin trading according to the bonus requirements to unlock and use the rewards. Before you start serious trading or withdrawals, go to the account settings and complete your KYC verification. This step is important to remove limits and ensure smooth access to all Bybit features. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.